Diba yung usual na way natin ang pagluto ng bibingka is palayo, and then may uling sa ibabaw. So with the paper top eggs, which is a combination oven, possible na mag-smoke tayo with the same oven. So meron pa tayong accessory doon sa taas, which is the hyper smoker. Nakikita ko. So yung pong accessory sa taas, the hyper smoker contains the wood chips. So pwede po kayo maglagay ng iba-ibang wood chips doon. Depende kung anong gusto nyo product naman, flavor profile. So in our case, actually, ang ginagawa natin is yung bibingka, tapos siguri yung wood na nandito sa hyper smoker natin. And then, at the same time, we are also braising some meat in the chef top eggs. So the chef top eggs and the baby top eggs has the same functionality. Ang pinagkaiba lang niya is magkaiba siya ng tray size. So mas malaki yung tray size ng baker top and mas mataas yung pitch height. But this is 5 trays and this is 6 trays. This one naman currently, nagpapagulo naman tayo. So nagpapagulo tayo sa chef top eggs, that's why, ayan, nagpapagulo tayo. Sa kabila is smoke, this one is steam. So ang niluluto natin at the same time is caldereta and adobo. So nagpapagulo tayo sa caldereta and adobo at the same time in one chamber. Which in a usual setting, kailangan nyo ng pot na malaki. Kung isa lang yung pot nyo, pagkatapos yung maluto ng isa, tsaka nyo nusulot ng isa. Pero with the capabilities of chef top na kaya niya mag-accommodate ng up to 6 trays, you can actually do 2 big or 100 na GN pan. Or actually 3 if separate yung i-heat yung takip. So takip yung nandun sa pagitan. And then, we have the speed eggs here. So the speed eggs is a combi speed oven. So meaning na kung ano ang capabilities of the chef top eggs and the baker top eggs, kaya din gawin ng speed eggs. Ang pinagkaiba lang, meron siyang microwave. So that means mas mabilis ang paluto yung food natin versus a traditional cooking. And what they also all have in common is self-washing na siya. So actually ngayon, the speed eggs, naglilinis na siya. So gagawin lang natin, ilulog lang yung detergent dito sa drawer. So specific din yung detergent niya from Rolex. Ilulog lang siya dito. You close it, and hindi nyo na kailangan mag-decide gano'ng madaming detergent yung kailangan or gano'ng madaming tubig. Kailangan nyo lang piliin kung gano'ng kahaba yung cleaning na gusto nyo. Gusto nyo ba lang short, medium, or long? So dahil meron pa kami 2 hours before mag-close ang expo, I did a medium cleaning kasi 1 hour and 30 minutes. And then, for the chef top or every oven here na nasa likod ko is all equipped with the digital ID. So the digital ID is the latest operating system na meron ng Lux, which is the most advanced one as well. Kasi this one, it allows you to be connected with your oven kahit na nasa loob kayo ng bahay nyo na, kahit wala na kayo sa business nyo. So, ibig sabihin, kung kunyari, uwi na ako, hindi ko pa siya nililinis, kahit na nakauwi na ako sa bahay, basta nakakonect siya sa internet, pwede ko siya i-access. So, pwede ko lang pwede ko lang pang linisan siya, kahit patulog na. Pwede ko rin po siya mag-relent. So, kunyari, meron akong bagong parameter. Kunyari, nagisip ko bigla na, gusto ko mag-promo na ganitong items. So, ngayon, pwede ko sabihin yung staff ko na, pwede ko magawa na ganitong picture, pwede ko mag prep na ganito. Pag tinanong niya, chef, ano gagawin ko sa oven? Pwede kayo na mismo, sa bahay nyo, sa cellphone nyo, kayo na mismo yung mag-adjust. Kayo na yung mag-on. So, tutulog na lang yung oven na naka-ready na siya. Isasalang na lang ng tao nyo yung items. And also, with the technology of the data-driven cooking, makikita ko rin yung consumption ng oven ko in terms of time, energy, water, that it drinks, so which is the detergent, and the RO care, which is the filter. So that means, nakikita ko yung time. For example, on the first day of demo, ginamit namin itong oven na to ng 8 minutes 44 seconds. Yung energy na nakonsume namin is 30.27 kilowatt-hour. And then yung water is 80.38 liters water. So, if gusto ko naman maging detailed in terms of the SKUs that is being produced inside the oven. Pwede ko siya gawing details. And then the details, see all. Makikita ko na gumawa ng croissant, inihaw, steam rice, maglinis, and I can also do the same thing here. So, meron din ng DTC. So, the DTC yan, makikita ko rin na gumawa ng croissant. For sure, gumawa kami ng kutsinilo kaninang tanghali. Gumawa kami ng croissant and bibingka, Danish, and we've been doing that since the first day of Office. So, if you want to know more about the Ovench, we offer a service which we offer actually all over the world, which we call the individual cooking experience, meaning that you can test the oven for free with your items. So, kung kunyari, meron na kayo business na ensaymada, and you want to test the oven if this might be the right oven for you, you can bring your dough to us, and you can test the ovens completely free. And after you have decided to purchase any of the ovens that we have, we actually go to your business and train you and your staff on how to use the oven. So that is the top training that we offer as well. So for the service naman, since we have Unox people from all over the world, you don't have to worry if you purchase a unit. Because even here in the Philippines, there is an Unox team where you can reach out to and we can help you with your concerns and your problems. So again, thank you so much for attending the WOFEX. This is again the last day. So in a bit, we'll just serve the food that we have here. So in about 15 minutes. And we thank you so much for visiting us here at the Unox booth. Okay, so come visit us again next year and celebrate also my 2 years in Unox. Okay. Para? Okay, okay. Name one position. Name and position. My name. Okay? So, good afternoon everyone. So my name is Ida. I am the corporate chef of Unox here in Philippines.
Call talaga. Okay na ba si Chef?